Olaf, no, don't eat this. It's not keto.
But what's wrong with it?
What the fuck?
But they don't sell keto ice cream here. What am I supposed to do then?
Why don't you make your own?
Can you imagine a world in which keto ice cream looks like this? I can't either. And in this recipe video, I will show you that keto ice cream can be just as good as regular ice cream, or even better. And you can make it with simple ingredients you probably already have at home. So let's get on with the recipe. If you enjoyed this recipe video and would like to see more like these, subscribe. If you have any questions, fire them away in the comments. Be sure to also follow my new Instagram profile dedicated to this channel. Thanks for watching and enjoy your ice cream, guys.